Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Verizon Fios account and register for fiber internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the official Verizon Fios website and click on Check Availability to see if fiber service is offered at your address. Step 2. Enter your complete address or zip code to verify Fios availability. If available, you will see plan options for your location. Step 3. Browse the Fios internet plans, from basic fiber speeds to multi-gigabit options. Select the plan that best meets your household bandwidth needs. Step 4. Click on Get Fios or Order Now to proceed with your selected plan. Consider bundling with TV or phone service for potential savings. Step 5. Create your My Verizon account by entering your personal information, including name, email address, phone number, and installation address. Step 6. Choose between professional installation or self-installation if available in your area. Select a convenient installation date and time slot. Step 7. Provide your billing information and payment method. Review any promotional pricing, contract terms, or equipment fees associated with your order. Step 8. Review your complete order summary, including plan details, monthly costs, installation fees, and any equipment charges. Accept the terms and conditions and complete your registration. You will receive email confirmation with installation details and account information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.